Hello, dear students. Very good morning. How are you? Dear student, today I am going to start this new topic, management of soft tissue injuries. So you have read about the different kinds of the sports injuries. So today we'll read about the how can we manage of the soft tissue injuries. So today we have to read about the management of the soft tissue injuries, contusion, abrasion, laceration, and incision. So first of all, you have to read about the contusion. So dear students, as you are watching on screen that it is the injury of skin caused by severe blow or impact by external object without breaking the continuity of skin. So this is the injury of skin caused by severe blow or impact by external object without breaking the continuity of skin. In other words, we can say that it is the crushing of soft tissues by a violent external force without breaking the continuity of the skin. Generally, contusion is caused due to hitting of blunt object. It caused it causes acute pain and sometimes loss of function of affected part and swelling over the part. So this is the contusion. So how can we manage it? First aid and management of the contusion. There may be pain, swelling and discoloration of skin. There may be red or bluish mark over the skin. This is caused by hit or blow from external object. Why become the red or bluish mark over the skin? Due to the inner muscles has been ruptured and to the blooding inside, that's why the appearing the skin bluish skin. So how can we manage it? Contusion should be treated immediately with ice application for some duration after short intervals. So first of all, what we have to do, contusion should be treated immediately with ice application for some duration after the short intervals. Next, apply antiseptic cream in case of bleeding. So next is we have to apply the antiseptic cream in case of the bleeding. Apply cold compression after every 6 hours. So cold compression we have to do in after every 6 hours. Apply anti-inflammatory creams or ointment after 1 day to reduce pain and swelling. So for reducing the pain and swelling, we have to use the ointment or anti-inflammatory creams. Next, after 2 days, massage should be done over the affected part to reduce the swelling. So after 2 days, we have to do the massage should be done over the affected part for reducing the swelling. So this is the contusion we can manage, and we can give the first aid for the contusion. Next is, dear student, we have to read about the abrasion. So it is injury on the surface of the skin. In this injury, skin is scraped or rubbed by friction. It causes severe pain and sometimes bleeding over affected part. It exposes the blood vessels and the superficial layer of skin is scraped off. This injury is commonly caused by sliding, slip over surface, friction, etc. Abrasion is common over the knee, elbow, palm, etc. So basically it's abrasion is common over the knee, elbow, palm due to the friction on surface. So first and management of abrasion injury. First of all, avoid further friction. Next, clean the part of some antiseptic cream and wash it properly with soap to prevent an infection. It tears with tissues in the body by sharp object. It may be the external or internal. So in incision injury, the skin is turned out and wound is open. So abrasion has been complete. Now we have to read about the laceration and incision. So the laceration and incision injuries are considered as wound. Laceration is a type of wound that happens when soft tissues, skin and muscles in the body are torn. It is often caused by the blunt object and is deep. It results in outlet of internal organs. So incision is a type of wound which is the caused by sharp edge objects such as the knife, razor, etc. So sometimes the arteries and veins may be cut. Blood usually comes out freely from the incision. So in laceration and incision injuries, there are the bleeding from the affected part. So in both conditions, both injuries, the bleeding from the affected part will out. First, and management of laceration and incision. Clean the surface of the affected part by the antiseptic such as Neosporin. Second, stop bleeding at the earliest by the compression by or by the pressing or put compression bandage. Next, cover the affected part with the medical cotton, bandage or apply band-aid. Fourth, repeat dressing or padding over the wound. If bleeding continues, then apply further pads or pressing. Last, apply ice or cold compression for some times. So, by this, you have to understood about the management of the soft tissue injuries. Basically, I have read only uh, three soft tissue injury. These injuries basically affected to our skins. So, contusion, next abrasion, laceration, and incision. So, how you will manage it? You have read. So, distant, we will soon meet with new topic. Because you know that the more sports injuries of muscles, so next time we have to meet. So I will see you with new topic. Okay, thank you, bye bye.